What's up, gamers? It's Crimson Cavalry here. So it's 1 in the morning currently when I'm filming this, and it is freezing cold. And you can see I'm not wearing the warmest clothing in the world. Yeah. So today we're gonna be building the Gingerbread house Lego set. It's got over 1,000 pieces. It's got some cool gingerbread man figures, and I figured Christmas is coming up. You know, month of December, we gotta celebrate it, right? And so I figured, what better way to celebrate it than building a Christmas Lego set? So if we check out the back here, not a whole lot of features, you know, pretty basic set. It's got a light brick. I guess it's kind of cool, but it's cool, and I guess so. This we also here it clearly says batteries included. What? My mind is blown. They never sell batteries with these things. It drives me insane. But they're actually selling batteries with this one. Crazy, right? I know. So if you really want to see, if you're one of those weird nerds, that's the pieces that are in the set. It's an expert set. It's probably not really an expert set. That's probably a big cap. That's like the figures that come with it. Looks of it, and that's can you see that? That's like what they count. Their sizes. It's not gonna be the same on camera, but you get the basic reference of it. So, but now you're probably wondering how many bags is it? Now I went to the liberty of opening this already because I'm an idiot, and I figured, and then I realized before I open anything, oh, why don't I make a video out of this? So that's what we're doing. We got a really thick instruction book. Oh no, there's 2 instruction books. There's one really thick one, and some random stickers. I want to know how many bags there are. Well, there's more than 4. More than 5. Well, 5 or more, sorry. Well, that's 1. That's 3. That's your mom. Woo! 5. Yeah, I think it's only gonna be 5 bags. Yeah, it's only 5 bags. Oh wait, never mind. There's 1 more. Yeah, it's only 5 bags. And nobody used those anyways. Yes, please help me. I have to do this. Because it's Christmas. We're gonna be doing celebrations all month long in celebration of Christmas. Doing a bunch of Christmas themed videos. I don't know. I'll come up with ideas as I go along. This is Crimson Cavalry going out. you know, we have here this gingerbread house Lego set. We have this tree, which has got a different star design than usual that they have each year. And we got like this train with like a, there's one of those weird coal things, some random presents, like a rocking horse kind of thing. It actually, like rocks, train, carriage, and a snowplow. Woo! Okay, well that's all the board stuff. Get out here. We gonna look at this thing. Now, this thing is the actual gingerbread house itself. It's got these candy canes that can move. I'm not gonna move them, but if you, well, I don't know why it's not working, but well, this thing used to work. Apparently it doesn't anymore. I don't know. Well, it used to be when you push down that thing, it would like hold up. Big brain. I don't think that's how it was originally built, but it works. So, we got these cool roof designs, and, they're like an actual, like, gingerbread house. We have these things in the middle here that spin, and now we're gonna take a look at the back. You have a bed, a couch, and you also got a couple other features, got all this other cool stuff. And if you push down this fireplace, it lights up, and that's really cool. And another thing is, so if you look at this chimney, now look at this instruction booklet. Do you notice something? Yeah, I built the chimney in reverse on accident. It didn't actually affect anything, but it just looks weird. I don't know, but it's kind of cool. These doors, they open. Yeah, they're pretty cool. And there's a door over here too. Now we got the two minifigures here. I'm gonna go with this boy. He burning. He gonna be cooked. Oh, I got the fire, so it's like staying. That's actually pretty cool. So we gotta set up the minifigures so they look cool now. Ooh, the fire is the best for death. Ooh. He does agree that the fire is the best for death. Now that he's burning, because she's gonna just be, like vibing or something. I don't know. This Christmas do not fit in their house. So yeah, I don't know. She's gonna be like, woo, celebrate. We gotta celebrate his death. Woo. Yeah. Yeah. Woo. No. Overall, pretty cool set. It's got these cool like shiny windows, and overall it's supposed to look like a gingerbread house, and I think that's really cool. And well, if you enjoy content like this, make sure to subscribe. Devin